Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you guys doing today? So guys, we are making this beautiful palazzo trouser and we are using 2.5 years of silk material to make this beautiful style. It has design on it. So if you're interested to know how to make this palazzo style trouser that we are making, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end. And guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. Now you can share this tutorial with your friends, give my video a thumbs up that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. Guys, another way for you to support my channel is for you to please watch this tutorial, always watch my tutorials down to the end to support my channel to grow. Like I said, if you're interested to now to make this palazzo style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end and let's get started now. Like I said, we are using 2.5 years of silk material to make this style. Our waistline is 39, our hip is 41, our thigh is 24, our waist to the knee is 19, our crotch depth is 11.5, and our full length is 44. So I'll just place the material. I will place it so that we can start now with our tutorial. So guys, please keep on watching, sir.
So now we'll start with our measurement now with our palazzo trouser that we want to cut, and this is the front side that we want to cut first. Is 2.5 years that we are using to make this palazzo trouser. So I will spread it well so that we'll get started with our measurement. So just look at what I'm doing here now and do it on your own when you want to do it. So now we want to start from our waist. It will have a rope on it. So what I'm marking is 1.5 that I'm marking for the waist that will pass our rope. So after that, I just want me now to get a straight line, and that is the rolling line that I'm rolling for the waist that we use our rope to pass. So that after that, now this is how you place it. So I will take my tape rule to start from where I mark 1.5. That is where my length will start now. So I'm marking my length. My length is 44. So that's my length for my trouser, and this is how you also make your own when making your own. So after that, I will now give it a straight line for my rolling line. So that is my waist. My waist is 39. So what I will mark now, I will mark from my waist to my hip line is 11.5. So this is how you also make it when making your own. That's my hip line now. So I will roll it out now. So after that also you will continue to mark. So this is my rolling line for my hip now. So I've gotten it now. So is the measurement for the hip will start first. What I said, measurement for the hip, and my measurement for my hip is 41, and that's my 41 that I'm marking. So you just mark it to the waist and give it a straight line also, and that's my rolling line for my waist, for my hip now. So that is it now. So can you see what I've done there now? So that is how you also make your own, for you to get your actual measurement when making trouser. Use your hip measurement first, and that's what I've done there now. 41 is what I've marked there now. So after that again, just for us now to measure our waist. So my waist that I'm marking there is 39. So that's my 39. Why I'm doing that, because it will pass it with rope. So that is my 39. So just mark it. So we have done that also. So what I will also do now to get my depth, that is my crotch line, is 12.5. So that is my 12.5 that I'm marking for my crotch line. So that is what I've also done. Then I'll also give it a straight line. So I've done that now. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. So just watch everything that you can see me. Watch it to the end and do it the way you are seeing me doing it now. So we have done that now. So for us now to also mark again. So what I'm doing here now is for my nail line. So I want to mark from my nail line. So can you see where I'm still placing my tape to start with my measurement? It's 19 that I'm marking there now. So that's my nail line that I've marked, and also give it a straight line. So just follow everything you can see me doing here and do it. And please guys, subscribe to my channel and watch my channel to the end so that you can learn more for it. So now we want to make our crush now. So to get it, so I'm just taking it down again. So that is what I've done there now. So it's where I want to get my crush is what I'm pointing at. So you get that your crush when making it. So it's 2 inch that I'm marking there now. So that is the 2 inch that I've marked. So you just take it from that your hip line to get to your crotch depth. So that is my crotch depth now that I've done is 2 inch that I added there. So after that now you just check what you have there now. So what I have there now, because my thighs is 24, so that is my 24, everything corresponds there 24, and by the time you get that your 24, because that is what I have there, you divide it into 2. So into 2 will give you 12, and that is my 12. So after that you now get your middle and share that your 12 into 2, and what will you have is 6. So my middle point now is 6. So can you see what I've done there? So my middle point is 6. So that's my 6 there now. So that is what I've gotten there, and we just curve it. So I've done that. That's my middle point that I'm seeing pointing out for you is 6 that I have there now. So after that now, we just connect it together. So I want to connect everything to my crotch. So that's what I've done there now. So I've given it a straight line there now. So what you just do, because it's a palazzo trouser that we are making, you just use anything you want to get it to the ankle is what you decide to have. So what I'm using to get my ankle there now, after that now, is 20, that is 13. So that's my 13. So you just take it down straight. So it's 13 that I'm back at my ankle line there now. So we have done with the front piece. Remember, it's the front piece that we are cutting here now. So I'll also cut it now. So I'm cutting it now for you to see. So can you see what I've done there now? And this is how you also go about it when making your own. Please guys, always watch my tutorial to the end and subscribe, and also share it to your friends. So the other side you open it, because it's 4 piece that it will be. This is the front piece now, 2 piece at the front, and the back will also have 2 piece, that is the 4 piece, and this is the back now. So what we just do, just use the front that we just got and spread it out and cut it. But before cutting, just look at what I'm doing here now. Remember, I didn't place any allowance at the front, so the allowance will go at the back side now. So what I'm pointing out for you now is for that micro depth that I want to mark. I'm adding 2 on it. So that is the 2, because 2 inch, because the back side will be longer, because our button will take that side of it. So it's 2 inch that I'm marking there now. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So the side of it now is what I want to give the allowance. So what I'm adding there is 2 inch for the waist, 2 inch for the hip, while for the knee is 1.5 that I added there. So just connect it now. So that's what I'm connecting to. So coming to the downside of it, that is the ankle, what I added there is just 1 inch. Just remember what I've done there. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. So now is the front. I want to give it the front. The front will be slope. What I'm marking there from my front is 1.5 to slope it. So the back will be higher than the back than the front. So this I'm covering it now. So that is how you also make it when making your own. Just watch every detail you can see me doing, and you get it. While we are doing all of this, it's because the bottom of our back is big, so to carry it without doing that, it will not be fitted, it will not be fine. So this is how we are cutting it now. So this is how you also go about it when making this kind of palazzo trouser that we are making. It's a fine material that we are using to make this style. So just look at everything that you can see me doing and do it the way you, and to come out good. So I'm cutting it now. So if you don't understand what we are doing here, I want you guys to continue to watch it and watch it to the end, so that you know everything that we have done there now, and do it on your own. Please have your fabric and do it on your own. So let me take it out now and let me cut the front side of it to slant it, because the back will be higher. You remember what I added there? So I added 1.5. So the up now, that the back side is higher. So can you see how it is now? It's longer than the front now, so that it will carry the bottom. So now we have done that. So I want to pin it for you to see how to go and join it together. So this is how you pin it, this is how you sew it, using my pin to pin it for you to see, and then the front side of it now. So also I will also show you the back side. So this is how you also pin it and go and stitch it on your machine. So I've done that. So I'm just showing what to do. So this is the side also, how to pin it to take it to your machine and stitch together, and before you know it will be ready. So this is how you go about it. So this after that also iron it out so that it will be neat. And this I've done it, so I've done it, so you can see we have not even sew it, but it has come out with our pinning that we just use and pin. So can you see where I started for the crush under? So this how you also go about it and run a stitch down. I'm just using my pin to show you what you will do next. So we have done that now. So now I will also show you the rope. So that is my rope. The length that we are using to get our rope is 53 and the width is 2. So we have done that. So I want to pass it. So I'm passing it with my safety pin, and before you know it will be ready and we can wear it out. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. Please have your fabric and do it on your own and it will come out good. Please always watch my tutorial to the end and share it to your friends and comment, please. So we have done that. So can you see how beautiful it is now? Very beautiful. So this is how you go about it.
So you can see how beautiful our palazzo trouser came out, very beautiful. And guys, just follow the procedure that we use in making this palazzo trouser. We made use of 2.5 yards of silk material that has design on it. So just follow the procedure, you are going to get it. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. Now you can share this tutorial with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. And another way for you to support my channel, please, is for you to watch my tutorial down to the end. This palazzo trouser, it has a top. On Wednesday we are going to show you guys the complete style. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.